Okay, this drawing is done December 7th, 2022. Just a quick overview. I'm just going to show the top really quickly. People can read the text in my description that I've written there, as well as this text here. This is a composite drawn from two different World War II Holocaust Third Reich time period photos of a soldier executing Jewish prisoners in Chelm, 1942, and a woman about to be executed in the Warsaw Ghetto late spring, like April, May 1943. I had posted a similar photo. Facebook removed it, citing community standards. After I had posted it after I'd read about Congressman Mike Garcia, who mocks the Holocaust and has also mocked the Capitol Police, claiming they're like the Gestapo. And he claims Democrats are like the Third Reich and like Nazis, which is just sick, perverse, anti-Semitic, anti-Christian, and just staggeringly ignorant for a congressman. We have 7 victims of gun rights. Most of these victims were victims, actually all of them were victims of terrorism attacks, except for her. She was a 7-year-old girl shot by an 11-year-old neighbor who had a 12-gauge shotgun. All the others died in terrorism attacks, which the media calls mass shootings. All mass shootings are actually terrorism. They should be classified as such by the DOJ and the FBI. We have a whole lot of allegorical sea monsters, plus one allegorical NRA, like catastrophic creature. Multi-legged, armed, multi-limbed. All right, there you have it.